Tonight, new information uncovered by News Channel 9 about the seemingly violent relationship between the couple accused of hiding a 5-year-old girl's body.
29-year-old Latasha Mott is charged with beating her daughter to death and working with 27-year-old Corey Parks to leave the little girl's body in the woods in Syracuse. He was let out of jail today because, as News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan tells us, his current charge and criminal history not enough under state law to hold him behind bars.
An allegation of harm to an identifiable person.
Onondaga County Court Judge Matt Doran allowed News Channel 9 to record the proceedings, at which Corey Parks was allowed to get out of jail.
My role is not to question the wisdom of the legislature. For some reason, this is not a bail-eligible offense, so I'm required to follow the law, which I'm going to do. But Mr. Parks, if it comes to my attention that there's any violations of the pretrial release program or the electronic home confinement and an application is made, we'll be right back here in court.
It's what the defense wanted, but when asked, even the prosecution didn't object. The assistant district attorney told the judge he was obligated. The charge of concealing a corpse does not allow for jail time in New York, but the judge didn't rush to it, asking if charges against Parks last year could keep him locked up. News Channel 9 obtained paperwork that details allegations he choked his girlfriend, Latasha Mott, the same woman he's more recently accused of helping hide a body. Last April, she told police that he, quote, started to choke me and told me he was going to kill me. Then he, quote, went into the kitchen and turned on my gas stove and told me he was going to burn the house down. Because their daughter was with them, he's charged with endangering the welfare of a child, along with obstruction of breathing, imprisonment, and more. She ended her statement with, quote, I do not feel safe with him around me or my children. At the same address in January, Mott's accused of beating another daughter to death, and police say hiding her body with the help of Parks. In court, the assistant district attorney informed the judge Parks' case from last year has been closed, but he didn't provide any details on that resolution. Outside Onondaga County Criminal Court, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.
Parks is accused on at least 2 occasions breaking his girlfriend's electronics like televisions, computers, and smartphones. Because of the way the last case was resolved, it might not make his criminal record.